Physical properties. Each material page contains an official alphanumeric or numeric designation and important details about the standard itself. Action buttons to the right offer functionality such as adding to material lists in your material console, adding to reports, exporting to CAX, and bookmarking. 4 tabs highlight the most important properties of the material. They can be collapsed, and your preference will be remembered. When expanded, the tab shows ranges for basic properties. In Synthetic View, you can select temperatures to get a better picture of the material's potential. You can then view details or add data to Comparison View. Switch to Details View, and standards can be selected that will offer more specific material properties to work with. Finding the right condition is easy with the menus to the right. Choose to display conditions one by one, or show all conditions. The conditions are then shown with all available properties. Numerical data from standards and experimental sources is listed. Changing to Properties View, you will see the list arranged more conveniently for direct comparisons. And where multi-point data is available, you can view a functional diagram. Hover over the curve to see the numerical data. Choose from the functions above to make the curve easier to analyze, including the option to zoom in.